Hello, I'm Chris from Nagle's, your premier dealer for stoves, gas and electric fires and fireplaces. Today I'd like to do a demonstration on the Stovax Riva 55 and show you our top tips on how to use this very efficient fire.
To start, I would like to show you one of my favourite top tips for this fire, and this is how to clean the ashes quickly and easily. To do this, I will first need to remove the log guard, and I will do this by simply sliding the log guard fully to the right, which will allow the left hand side to be pushed towards the back of the fire and releasing the log guard from the stove completely. To clean the ashes, I find the easiest method is to use the ash pen, and as the ash pen is open-ended, it is a great tool to scoop out the ash quickly and easily. Also remember to use the handle provided for ease of use. After cleaning the fire, you can simply just reverse all the previous steps to put all items back in place. My next tip is usually a great place to start if your fire is burning a lot more rapid with all air controls closed. As the grate mechanism is quite unique on the Riva multi-fuel stove, ash and debris can collect between the centre and the main grate of the fire, which will allow excessive air into the fire even if all air intakes are closed. You can rectify this issue by firstly following the steps in the previous tips, and using the handle in the centre grate, carry out a push upwards and back action to release the grate. Once the grate is released, remove it completely and clean the area well with a brush or a vacuum, and simply position the centre grate back in place with the handle first and allow gravity to find its proper placement. My last tip is to ensure that you will be able to enjoy the beautiful rolling flames of this fire when it is burning. This tip is to clean the glass on the door. We recommend you using a stove glass cleaner, as lots of the home remedies can damage the glass permanently.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you find this information useful for the Stovax Riva 55. If you have any further inquiries, please feel free to call to our showroom or visit our website at naglefireplaces.com.